Hey guys, what's going on? What's going on? Street Trade coming at you with today's trade ideas video. It is Tuesday, the 15th of February 2022. Let's get into it here. Looking at an hourly chart of SPY. We had some pretty, it was a conflicted session to kick off the week yesterday. Obviously, a little bit of questionable bounce, not really, but in the early part of the session. And then obviously you saw some more chatter being released, and we're talking pertaining to the Ukraine-Russia situation. Obviously, this is a good lesson that when things at this level are occurring, fundamentals, technicals get thrown out the window, whether it's the ETF or individual securities. So keep that in mind, guys. This is one of these like hands-off type situations. You can do for you scalpers are good momentum plays, real quick in and out. But other than that, to base decisions off of conditions like this, it's not very smart. Obviously, there's a couple situations where you had a little bit of transition, but a headline gets released, and you know how these headlines are. They're geared to play, right? So you got to be careful what you're reading, and people know that things are getting released, things getting picked up, and people based immediate decisions on them, and that's why you're seeing these random sell-offs and brief rallies, if you want to call it. But anyway. Today's gonna be interesting. Obviously, we need things to settle down. It's no one knows. Obviously, in our opinion, we don't think it's gonna occur, and we think we're gonna have a pretty significant push to the upside. We just think it's just talk. We think there's a lot of barking, a lot of flexing, and things are gonna settle down. So we think that the street's gonna have a field day with this moves to the upside, but our opinion doesn't mean shit. You guys know that. That's just how we're looking at things. So anyway, we're going into the session with a hands-off approach. Obviously, we have our weekly set ready to rip. We have still positions from a couple weeks, so we're talking about those as well. So let's get into the securities that we're looking at and our game plan for if this and that scenario. Let's get into it.